Welcome to the Amalfi Coast, a breathtaking stretch of coastline along the Tyrrhenian Sea that boasts some of Italy's most stunning natural beauty and charming seaside villages. As you embark on your journey along this UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll be captivated by the dramatic cliffs, crystal-clear waters, and the timeless allure of La Dolce Vita. The Amalfi Coast, located in the Campania region of southern Italy, is renowned for its dramatic landscapes. The coastline is a symphony of towering cliffs, lush forests, and terraced vineyards that seem to tumble into the sea. It's a place where the mountains meet the Mediterranean in a dramatic and unforgettable fashion. Amalfi, the namesake town of the coast, is a charming destination with a rich history. Its historic center, with its labyrinthine streets and the iconic Amalfi Cathedral, is a delightful place to explore. The cathedral's Arab Norman architecture and vibrant mosaics are a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. Amalfi was the historic capital of the Amalfi Coast, a great maritime power in the Middle Ages. For this reason, the town has a number of historical and cultural treasures. Positano, with its pastel-colored buildings dramatically clinging to the cliffside, is a postcard-perfect village that exudes Mediterranean charm. Stroll down the narrow streets, browse boutiques offering local ceramics and fashion, and relax on its beautiful beaches. Ravello, perched high above the coastline, offers tranquility and stunning vistas from its clifftop gardens. The Villa Cimbrone and Villa Ruffalo are particularly famous for their breathtaking terraces overlooking the sea. The annual Ravello Festival attracts musicians and artists from around the world. The Amalfi Coast is also a haven for food enthusiasts. This coastal paradise encourages you to reflect on the enduring power of nature's beauty and the simple pleasures of life. It stands as a reminder that sometimes the most extraordinary experiences come from the simplest moments: a leisurely stroll along the beach, the taste of sun-ripened tomatoes, or the sight of the sun setting over the sea. So, as you continue your journey along the Amalfi Coast, let the spirit of this place inspire you to appreciate the grandeur of nature, to savor the pleasures of the Mediterranean, and to remember that beauty can be found in the simplest of moments. What tales of coastal splendor and Mediterranean magic will you discover on your exploration of the Amalfi Coast?